Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Enable both microphone and system audio in your operating system, and grant the recorder app permission to use them. Once done, close any programs that might monopolize audio input like voice apps or virtual mixers. Then open your screen recorder and select the correct audio source, system, microphone, or both. Make sure volume sliders are up and not muted. This immediate setup fixes most permission and source selection issues before deeper troubleshooting. Next, focus on routing and quality settings so audio actually reaches the recorder. Choose the right source, stereo mix or the app-specific output if available, and confirm sample rate and channel choices match your project, 44. 1 or 48 kHz and mono or stereo. If you use virtual audio devices or routing tools, make sure they're linked to the recorder and not paused. Also verify advanced permissions in privacy panels and restart the recorder after changing routing to lock in the settings. Finish by doing a short test clip and immediately inspect the waveform or play it back to confirm sound. If you still get silence, restart audio services or the computer, reinstall or update audio drivers, and test with a different microphone or output. As a targeted fix, toggle exclusive mode in the device properties or switch the default audio device. Many apps lose sound when another process holds exclusive access. If problems persist, record internal audio via a loopback device or use a dedicated capture utility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.